We just got word from another satisfied customer of ours who wanted to tell the world we did a great job. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what they had to say. When our customers give glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide every customer with a first-class experience. We love hearing great feedback because it really is our goal to satisfy everyone who works with us. Now that's a total win-win situation. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to add you to our list of happy customers. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.